In this video, we will learn how to summarize report by using the percentage in pivot table. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have some revenue data. I'm using first here the pivot table. First select the full data, press the Control plus A. Then click on the Insert tab, click on the pivot, click on the From Table Range or click on the New Worksheet. Okay. Now here you can see all heading of the data. I just select the product here and revenue in value. Now you can see here every product have a different revenue amount. I want to see which difference of percentage of every amount. So which is a high and which is a low. So there is a so difficult when you have a huge data. It's a difficult to find out the which product revenue is so high. So I use here the one trick revenue again and set in value. Now here you can use, just select the any cell here, right click of the mouse and click on the show value as. Okay, now here you can click on the percentage of column total. Just click on that. Here you can see the percentage of every total. You can see now you can easily find out to which revenue is high. So here 30%, 30.28% is a high revenue show here. Okay, if you want to change your name, just double click on it and you can see, you can enter here revenue percentage. Okay, just click on OK. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.